Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Yaro. I got a cool video for you guys today. I just received something in the mail. I got a Robinhood Debit Card cash management system. So this is actually a huge wait list for this. There's over 1.5 million people waiting for this debit card right now. The reason why it's so popular, it's on Robinhood. It takes over whatever cash you have on your Robinhood account and it collects high yield interest. So right now it's at 1.8%. So for example, if you had $10,000 in cash sitting around, most banks will pretty much give you nothing. It just sits there, it doesn't collect any interest, you don't get any benefit from it. But Robinhood, you would make that 10,000 would earn you an extra $180 that year. That's not bad for just having your cash sit there. And you can go to stores, you can use a debit card, you can go to ATMs, pull cash out. It works like any other debit card. But the reason why I thought it was so cool is because the way they sent it in the mail, the way you open it was really interesting. I haven't seen anything like this before, so here it is. What you have to do to open the card is slide this out, and the other hand comes out the debit card, and here is a quote that says, "Democratizing America's financial system." So just have to pull out the debit card, and there you go. That's the mint green version. There was a couple different versions that you could choose from. I chose the mint green because this is Robinhood's color. It's their logo. It's more traditional and it stands out. So it was one that had like the American flag on it, and then there was also one that had just black and white. And I chose this one. I think it's pretty cool. It stands out in my wallet. I do plan on using a lot. And one thing that also is very cool for Robinhood, if you guys decided to join Robinhood now, they have a cool promotion where you get your first stock for free, and it's I think it's up to like $2,000. You could get like Amazon stock if you're very lucky. I mean, the chances are you're gonna get something that isn't worth that much, maybe a few dollars or something. Maybe you get really lucky though and you get Amazon stock, which is worth about $2,000 right now. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like this video, and I'll be posting a lot more content soon about different trading strategies, entrepreneurship, investing, and building long-term growth. All right, see you guys.